So I'm so excited. We're in Corning, and I'm at the Rolling Hills Casino. I'm with General Manager Antonio Perez, and I got to tell you, Antonio, this is a true hidden gem. I had no idea all of this was here. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California. And you actually brew spirits and craft beer on site?
Yes, we have the Paskenta Brewery and Distillery, brewing beer and distilling spirits right here inside the casino.
Antonio, we're in a distillery. This is incredible. What is this?
So this is the Paskenta Brewery and Distillery. It's here in Rolling Hills Casino on the Paskenta Nomlaki Reservation, and it is a fully tribally owned and operated brewery distillery.
And obviously you use the product here on property, but are there other plans for the product?
Yes, they're currently in the process of planning for distribution, and the tribe recently purchased Mad River Brewery as well, and so the combined entities are going to be able to do phenomenal things in the industry.
So all of that industry has got to have a very positive impact on the economy of Corning, right?
Absolutely, and the tribe itself is focused on making sure they give back to the community and do the right thing in all ways, which was one of the things that drew me to this organization.
Sure, yeah, you mentioned that. And how many people are employed at the casino? I mean, it's got to be a lot of jobs.
We have nearly 700 employees.
700?
Yep, and that's between the brewery distillery, the casino, the travel center, the golf course, the amphitheater, and all of the other businesses here on the reservation.
Wow, well, what a positive impact on the community. Congratulations.
Thank you, Pat.
Antonio, what is this right here? This is amazing.
So here we have a large piece of obsidian stone that was presented by one of the tribal elders and is in the spirit safe. And all of the spirits that we distill pour down over this stone.
So, wait a minute. So everything that is happening eventually gets touched by the spirit.
Absolutely, and this stone is significant to the tribe because it's something that was used to make tools and weapons, and so the obsidian stone, and our spirits are named for it, obsidian spirits, is something of true significance.
That gives me goosebumps. So, Antonio, this is beautiful. Where are we?
We are in the Paskenta Brewery and Distillery tasting room. And this is a brewery and distillery that's here on property where we brew beer and distill spirits.
So no trucks bringing it in, you're making it right here.
Making it fresh right here.
And who's this little guy?
So this is one of our first beers, the Slot Lizard Light Beer. And this one was just something fun that we did, a little character on one of the beers that we did. And then several of our other beers, our mainstays will be Shapeshifter, Paskenta Gold, Rezzed Stout, and a lot of others that are just phenomenal.
So when you talk about everything being fresh, it's fresh.
Absolutely.
So Antonio, where are we?
We are at the 628 Steakhouse, sitting at the whiskey bar.
And I know nothing about whiskey. I'm assuming whiskey can be just as expensive as wines and whatnot. Is that the case?
Absolutely. We have over 100 whiskeys and bourbons over here, and including a lot of really high-end and hard-to-find ones.
Yeah. So you have people that come for a special day, or what happens?
So on Wednesdays, we do a Whiskey Wednesday, and typically the steakhouse isn't open on Wednesdays, so we recently started opening it with a limited menu and a focus strictly on the whiskey. And we have flights from everything from the high end to different bourbons and whiskeys down the line. And it's a great time to get a deal on something rare.
Wow. So what do we got here?
So this is Double Eagle Very Rare.
Let's open.
And it is very rare. We have two bottles, one from last year, and we just received the bottle from this year as well. And this will be one of the things that you can find on special during Whiskey Wednesday.
Wow. And can I ask, like, roughly how much?
Well, if you were to buy this bottle now, you would pay somewhere in the $10,000 range.
$10,000. So if I touch it, how much does that cost? Is that like $10?
Maybe $350. We'll give you a deal.
And so a reminder of how people get here. Where do they go?
So we're on exit 628 off of the I-5 in Corning, California on the Paskenta Nomlaki Reservation.
Wow, so I didn't know about this place. This is a true hidden gem. Come to Rolling Hills Casino next time up near Corning. Incredible. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California.